Hi folks, welcome to another Chief Steamer video. I want to do a comparison video, but I kind of want to condense this into myself, Chief Steamer, versus all the other competitors that are out there. I know that if you're searching for a steamer, you're doing a lot of research. So you're coming up on brands that are very, very cheap, brands that are very, very expensive, steamers that can do this, steamers that can do that, and people have told me that it's very confusing, and I understand. I know there's a lot of stuff out there, and I know most of my competitors, and most of my competitors know myself. The thing about trying to narrow things down is obviously the quality of the machine. I think the people selling the machine, and if you look at a lot of videos on my website, you see that I do a lot of videos. I put a lot of information out there. We allow you to repair the machines. We've basically done videos on diagnosing machines that have broken. I tell you that steamers are going to break at some point. You're going to need to fix them. So whether that turns you off or not, I don't know. I'm just trying to be honest. But again, I do not think my competitors do that. I think I put out as much or more information than any of my competitors do on the machines and how to fix them, diagnose them, and just move on when they break. So that's that aspect of a comparison type of thing. The other thing is a one-on-one machine-to-machine comparison, which I know you're going to do on your own, but we've already done that as well. So in the comparison section of the site, which is probably where you are now, you're going to see individual comparison videos against a 100 against the Dupre machine, a 100 against a VX5000 machine and what the differences are, a 100 against the Vapimore Forza machine, and what the differences are in price, performance, specs, all that, and you can make your decision. Probably one of my bigger competitors on the bigger machine is the Vapor Rhino. They've been around for a long time. I've been around for a long time. They make a big, powerful machine. I make a big, powerful machine. They do 120 and 240 voltage. I do 120 and 240 voltage. So there's a lot of comparison to look at there. And again, we do an individual comparison between my machine and the various things that the Vapor Rhino might have over me. And I think that I might have over Rhino. And I make my pitch on why I would like you to buy my machine over them. So in every single comparison video, I'm going to get to the end of the video and ask you to buy my machine, whether it's based on price, whether it's based on support, whether it's based on repairability of the machine. Everybody has their own criteria in what they're going to buy a steamer and how much money they're going to spend and what they think it can do for them. But obviously at some point you need after support, which I think I'm one of the best at. So when we look at comparisons, I know that I'm in the game because you're watching this video and we do a very good job, I think, on the internet, and my name is going to come up, but the other competitors' names are going to come up, and you're certainly going to compare them against me. But I think as you narrow things down, I'm hoping that I stay in the game. And as you get it down to maybe two possible choices, I hope I'm one of those two. And then as it gets down to the final choice that you're going to buy, I hope you email me, I hope you call me, I hope you look at all the videos that I provide, I hope you look at price, and I hope that makes the decision to buy a Chief Steamer.